Welcome to This Explainer. I am so incredibly excited you're here today. Seriously, take a quick look around you right now. Whether you're sitting in your bedroom, maybe hanging out in your classroom, or even listening outside. Just hit pause for a second and really look at the space you're in. What do you actually see?
Okay, let's dive into this. Have you ever really stopped to think about all those things surrounding you right this very second? Every single item you just laid your eyes on. The walls, the air you're breathing, the plants, the desk, all of it makes up your environment. It is literally the complete world that you interact with every single day.
Section 1. Defining your environment. The fabric of our surroundings. So, your environment is the entirety of your surroundings. Put simply, it's just everything around us. This includes both the beautiful, natural things we find outside, like those towering trees and rushing rivers, and the things that people have built from scratch, like your house or your school. It's the total rich fabric of the physical space you occupy.
Moving to Section 2, Natural and Built Worlds, two categories coexisting. If we kind of split our world right down the middle, on one side we have these incredible natural elements. These are the spaces provided entirely by nature, like deep forests and vast oceans. On the flip side, we have built structures. These are the places constructed by people where we live, learn, and play, like our homes and our schools. And these two categories, they're constantly coexisting to create the world we know.
Let's focus on the natural side first, because nature is full of absolutely amazing environments. Think about a massive forest, just packed with tall trees reaching up to the sky and filled with the ambient sound of chirping birds. Or imagine the vast oceans, home to schools of colorful fish darting through vibrant coral reefs and fast-flowing rivers cutting through the land. These are wonderful, classic examples of the natural world. Now, what's really interesting about this is that our environment isn't just the wild outdoors. It firmly includes the places we build. Your cozy home where you sleep, your bustling school where you learn alongside your friends, and yep, even the local shops where your family goes to buy food. These are all absolutely critical everyday parts of your built environment. Section 3. Shared spaces, the park, where humans and nature meet. Let's think about a super relatable example, your local park. Imagine you're spending a sunny afternoon there. Look around. You'll see natural things, right? Like a big oak tree providing some perfect shade and the green grass right under your feet. But right next to those, you'll spot built things, like the metal swings and the slide you play on, the wooden benches where folks sit to rest, and the paved pathways you walk on. It's awesome because both the natural and the built elements seamlessly share the exact same space. Section 4. Maya's microenvironment, scaling down to the backyard. Let's move to and see how this builds. Let's just take a deep breath, kind of slow our pace down a bit, and look at a real-life micro-story. Maya absolutely loved her backyard. It was a really small space, but by paying close, quiet attention, she noticed so many amazing things happening. She saw little ants marching in a strict line across the dirt. She watched a tiny ladybug resting peacefully on a green leaf. Sometimes, she'd even spot a bird visiting her small flower patch, eventually landing on a little wooden birdhouse that had been carefully built by people. So, the crucial point is, environments do not have to be massive, sprawling oceans or huge, towering forests. As Maya realized through her careful observation, no matter how small, every single space is an important environment for many tiny creatures. Even the tiniest spaces in your own backyard matter immensely.
Section 5. Test your surroundings, a quick knowledge check.
All right, here is our quick check. Step 1. Take a look at the river, the car, the mountain, and the building. Step 2. Decide right now in your head which of these are natural and which are built. Go ahead, I'll give you a second. Okay, got it? The river and the mountain belong in the natural box. The car and the building? Those are for sure built. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what we've been talking about. This quick exercise shows just how effortlessly natural elements and built structures weave together to make up the complete fabric of our everyday surroundings. So, here is my final challenge to you. Look around your immediate vicinity right now. You know the difference between natural and built, but as our built world continues to expand, how will it change the natural spaces we share? Keep making those sharp observations everywhere you go. Thank you so much for learning with me today, and I hope this leaves you super eager to discover the deeper impact of our environment next time.